Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if this is your first time here, I'm Tammy, welcome. Now today's video is a glam kitchen furniture DIY. If this sounds interesting, keep watching. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this DIY project started. Now family, as you can see, we're going to glam up these dining room chairs. Now I'm going to include a clip from my inspiration of where I got my inspiration from, but we're going to take it apart and I'm going to show you the whole entire process for you to see how I actually took the chairs apart. We're going to dress them up and then I'm going to put them back together and let you see the whole entire process. Now, once again, if you're watching and you're not part of the Glam Queen family, make sure you do subscribe. Now, here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you'll get a lot of glam DIYs, extra and over the top. I also do a little bit of home renovations, but you're going to be seeing quite a bit of that coming here very soon. And to you guys, and just be mindful that we are going to be adding in a little bit more home decor inspiration here on the DIY channel. You heard me right. You're going to be getting home decor 1 or 2 times a week, but make sure you stay tuned for that Christmas in July. We got a lot of good surprises coming for you. To you guys, I did leave the original sound playing in the background. My sister was viewing the video before I took the sound away, and she told me that she really enjoyed listening to the sound on this video for some reason. So that may be something you guys may be interested in as well. So I decided to leave all of the original sound playing in this video. Now once again, make sure you become a part of the Glam Queen family. Now in the Glam Queen of DIY, we also have the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Fit for a Queen. All of our links are down in the description. right, Glamettes, I hope this video did inspire you. Drop me a comment if you like this video. Also drop me a comment as well and let me know what your decor style is. And you guys, I just want to leave this thought with you. And on this quest, when you're in your home and you're in your space, whatever your decor style or taste is, let no one change that for you. We all go through changes, because I'm going through some myself, but you know, my motto is my house my way, your house your way. Never let no one make you feel bad, and definitely don't look at stuff on YouTube and feel bad about what your space is. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive, so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone. Stay blessed.